Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back again. At Modern, how are you all? Happy Good Friday. Happy Good Friday to all of you. Yeah, caller. Our lesson is lesson two of Dheng. Last time we have seen Dheng or Dheng mean beautiful or attractive, and this is the continuation of our lesson of Dheng. Today we are going to start from Diop, 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 Diop. Diop mean sister-in-law, sister-in-law, sister-in-law. Diop is a Dinka word which means sister-in-law. Diam dia adeng apai. Diam dia adeng apai. Diam dia adeng apai. Diam dia adeng apai mean my sister-in-law is very beautiful. My sister-in-law is very attractive. My sister-in-law is very beautiful. Yes, diam dia adeng apai. When you say diam dia mean my sister-in-law, my sister-in-law. Diop alone is sister-in-law. When you say diam dia, it mean my sister-in-law. Diam dia adeng apai. My sister-in-law is very beautiful or attractive. Diam wa adeng apai. Yeah. Diam wa adeng apai. Yeah. Diam wa adeng apai. Yeah. Mean the sister-in-law of my father is very beautiful. Sister-in-law of my father is very beautiful or attractive. Diam wa adeng apai. Din chol agumut adeng ku apit aya. You see? Din chol agumut adeng ku apit aya. Din chol agumut adeng ku apit aya. Din chol agumut adeng ku apit aya. Mean all is a beautiful and magician bird also. All is a beautiful and magician bird also. All is beautiful and magician bird also. Much and nyen deng apay. Much and nyen deng apay. Much and nyen deng apay. Much and nyen deng apay mean give me very beautiful girl. Give me very beautiful girl. Give me very beautiful girl, or you can say give me very attractive girl. That is to say much and nyandeng ape. Much is mean give and me nyandeng ape. Very beautiful girl or attractive girl. That is what it means. When someone tell you in Dinka much and nyandeng ape, it mean that give me very beautiful girl. Nyan de nyan wamat adeng ape. Nyan nyan wamat adeng ape. 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 When you say nyan wamat adeng ape or nyan wamat adeng ape, mean in English, the daughter of my brother is so attractive. The daughter of my brother is so attractive, or daughter of my brother is so beautiful. That means nyan wamat adeng ape. Daughter of my brother is so attractive. You see, daughter of my brother is so attractive. Nyir nyan kai a deng ape. Nyir nyan kai a deng ape. You see, we have double a here. Double a. When there is double a, it means plural. When single a, it means singular. Nyir nyan kai a deng ape. Nyir nyan kai a deng ape. In Dinka, when someone say Nyir Nyankai Adeng Apai, it means daughters of my sister are very attractive. Daughters of my sister are very attractive. Daughters of my sister are very attractive or are very beautiful. Nyir, Nyir is plural form of Nya. Mit panabun nyamlel adeng. Mit panabun nyamlel adeng. Mit panabun nyamlel adeng. Mit panabun nyamlel adeng mean student of Nyamlel school are beautiful. Student of Nyamlel school are beautiful. Student of Nyamlel school are beautiful or attractive. Mit panabun Nyamlel adeng. Mit panabun Nyamlel adeng mean student of Nyamlel school are beautiful. Student of Nyamlel school are beautiful. You see, very simple. Nyamlel egendit deng apaidit. You can say in Dinga, Nyamlel egendit deng apaidit. Nyamlel egendit deng apaidit. Nyamlel egendit deng apaidit. Mean Nyamlel is very beautiful or attractive town. Nyamlel is very beautiful or attractive town. Nyamlel egendit deng apaidit. Nyamlel is very beautiful or attractive town. See it here, Nyamlel egendit deng apaidit. Nyamlel egendit deng apaidit. Mean Nyamlel is very beautiful or attractive town. You see, Nyamlel is one of the town in Awul, which is located in Awul West County. Gendit pan chol Awul adeng apaidit. Gendit pan chol Awul adeng apaidit. Gendit pan chol Awul adeng apaidit mean the biggest town of Awul is very beautiful or very attractive. Gendit pan chol Awul adeng apaidit. The biggest town of Awul is very attractive. Gendit Panchol Awul Adeng Apaidit. The biggest town of Awul is very beautiful or attractive. Nyir Pan Awul Adeng Apaidit. 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 Girls from Awul are very attractive. Girls from Awil are very attractive or they are very beautiful. That means Nyirpan Awil Adeng Apaidit. Girls from Awil are very attractive or very beautiful. We can also say Junub Tudan Epandit Deng Apaidit. Junub Tudan Epandit Deng Apaidit. Junub Sudan Epandit Deng Apaidit. Junub Sudan Epandit Deng Apaidit means South Sudan is very beautiful country or South Sudan is very attractive country. South Sudan is a very beautiful country. Yes, South Sudan is very beautiful country. Yes, when you come you will see it. Junub Sudan Epandit Deng Apai. In Dinka we say Junub Sudan Epandit Deng Apai. South Sudan is very beautiful country. Kuyin Deng Apai di Randia. Kuyin Deng Apai di Randia. Ku yin Deng Apai di Randia. Kuyin Deng Apai di Randia. Kuyin Deng Apai di Randia mean and you are very attractive to my dear. You are and you ku mean and yin mean you. Deng Apai di very attractive Apai di Randia to my dear. Kuyin Deng Apai di Randia. ku yin deng apai dit randia mean and you are very attractive to my dear. Randia, this word randia, 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 randia mean my dear, simply my dear, or my person, my man, my dear, my person, my friend, my close person. Yeah, that is what it means. Randia mean my dear. Be nearly week dodge even catch. Be nearly week dodge even catch. Benealich week Deutsche Weltklasse mean may God bless you all my people. May God bless you all my people. Nearlich mean God. Week Deutsche Welle bless you all my people. Katche mean my people. Katche my people. Uh, Nearlich mean God. God. Week Deutsche Welle Deutsch mean bless. Bless. Yes. Subscribe subscribe to my YouTube. Please like, share, click the notification so that we learn Dinka language together. If you click notifications, YouTube is going to recommend our video to other YouTube viewers so that they can learn Dinka language with us. There are also some people who are learning English here. Even though the English is very weak, I hope it can help someone, the beginner. Yes, I know it. Thank you so much. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for liking our video. I wish you all happy, happy Good Friday. Happy Good Friday. I also wish you all happy Easter Sunday in advance. Yes, this week is the week of Good Friday and Easter Sunday. Yes, we shall meet on Sunday. Thank you guys. Bini alirel ke kawek kuyane ya. Bye. Assalamu.